Hey there and welcome! In this quick and easy walkthrough, we're going to guide you step by step through signing up and creating your company profile in Slimrate. Let's dive right in. On the Start screen, click Sign Up to begin the registration process. Now, fill in your email and create a password. Next, re-enter the password you just created. All set? Great! Click Next. Fill in your first name, last name, and phone number, then click Save. If your browser offers to save your password, go ahead and confirm it. Let's head to your inbox. Find the message from Slimrate and click to open it. Inside, click the button that says Confirm Email. A new window will pop up. Now, let's head back to Slimrate. Enter your email and password again, then click Sign In. Now, look at the top right corner. See those three little dots? Move your cursor up and click the three-dot icon. From the drop-down, choose Create Company and click it. Now it's time to enter your company details: company name, city, and the owner's phone number. That's it! You've successfully registered your company in the system. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this helped, and we'll see you in the next video.